What's going on, guys? As many of you might know, we broke some exciting news that hopefully will help many people that are beginners get into fitness. I just wanted to thank you guys personally for all the love and support throughout the years and for DMing us about this exciting news. And also I wanted to thank personally Horizon Blue Cross Blue Shield of New Jersey for promoting health education and also for allowing Fitness with Flex help provide these free fitness tips for you guys. Now, I want you guys to go to my profile. You're going to see a link to go directly to the Horizon Blue Cross Blue Shield of New Jersey website. The good thing is you do not have to become a member. They're making this 8-video series completely free for the whole public. Now, this video series is very, very good, and it's also very important. Now, don't think, I don't want to try it out, I might not be able to do the exercises. These are specific exercises for people that probably have not exercised in years or have not even exercised. And if you have been exercising, you can still benefit from a lot of these exercises. Now, there's 8 videos right now. There's 5 out on the website. 3 more will be coming out soon. So far, we have an ab exercises for beginners. This is very good for beginners. Many people can't do leg raises, can't do sit-ups. So we're going to do some slow ab movements to get the core strengthened, and eventually you will be able to work up to do a full sit-up, probably leg raises and all of that. Now, the good thing about this video series as well is that all the exercises are very, very detailed. So trust me, this is made specifically for someone that has never exercised before. So the detail is in there, you'll be able to handle it. And it's, like I said, it's also beginner level. The other videos that are out is a back stretching video for beginners. A lot of us are working all day sitting down, especially now during this pandemic. Before probably we were working in the office sitting down, maybe we would walk to the train to then sit down in the train again. But now since you're home, you don't even get that walk. You're already home, you're just sitting down the whole day. So we might get a lot of tightness in our back and our hips. So there's some back stretches there that are very important that might help you out. There's also a full body stretching routine so that you can learn about your body. You know how to stretch your bicep, your tricep. How do I stretch out my shoulder? How do I stretch out this part of my hip? So these are all little basic, simple exercises that, trust me, even for me that have been working out about 20 years, it still benefits me. When I first started working out, when I was like 16, I didn't really care about stretching or about mobility, nothing like that. All I wanted to really do is get bigger and get stronger. But as you get older, things start to get tighter, you get injuries, and you start learning more about the body, and then you understand that this is actually a necessity. So these stretching videos are really, really a must. Another great video is a mobility video. Apart from stretching out your muscle, you also want to loosen up your joints, lubricate the joints, be able to have a lot more mobility with your joints. If you're a person that's probably sitting down most of the times, what joints are really active every day? Maybe your knees, maybe your hips, maybe your back a little bit, but are you moving your wrist around? Are your ankles being moved around, your knees, certain parts of your hips? So a lot of things, when we don't use them, like they say, if you don't use it, you lose it. So if you don't use it, everything starts to lock up, it really starts to get tighter. So these mobility drills will definitely help you loosen up. And we have another exercise here. Now, again, all these exercises are body weight exercises, so you're not going to need dumbbells or nothing like that. But the 5th video that they have is chair exercises. This is perfect for people that are in offices, sitting down all day. How to do exercises from your chair, or even someone that might be not maybe in a wheelchair, or maybe someone that's obese that really can't do a lot of movements. But trust me, these exercises work. I made it, I certified, and I made sure that you're going to get a good workout even though you're sitting down. I broke a sweat with it. So I want you guys again to go to my profile, go on the link and go to their website and check out this video series. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to love it. Give me some feedback. Let me know if it was good. Let me know if maybe in the future there's another video that you might want me to make. Let me know. Thanks, guys.